Hi, Mike's Carburetor Parts here. I want to show you one of our new carburetors, or one of our replacements that you can use to replace 1100. We have sold a lot of these that have replaced 1100 and they work pretty good, and I'm going to show you what the differences are, if any. First of all, they will mount just fine, and just like that. You can see the gasket comes with a gasket that'll fit it, and these are oblong holes, so they fit different sizes, but you have like a 2.5 inch, so that'll just fit straight away. You won't have to do any modifications on that one. The throttle lever is a 360-degree lever, and what that means is that you can take it loose right here and just turn it and put it wherever you want. So, and in this case, you can see it will have to be turned over this way to match up with this. Now, there is a ball, a stud ball that comes with it. You can put in here to replace that, and so that's good to go. Now, this happens to be an automatic choke. And this will not replace the automatic choke, other than if you want to make it a manual choke. It has everything you need. You just need the cable that comes to it, and that would take care of your choke if you need it. And okay, so the other thing here is your vacuum hole for your distributor advance, and that's right here. You can see this one doesn't have the spark valve, and that's because the operation of spark valve is built into this carburetor, so it's not necessary. What else? So the fuel inlet's going to be the one thing you're going to have to mess with a little bit, and that's because on the 1100 and 1101 the fuel goes in the front of it, and on these replacements they come in on the side. Now, we do have a little barb fitting you can put in here. It comes with it, and so you can just put that on and get you some rubber gas line, which we do sell, and 5/16 I believe, and just run it from here out to over here, so that you can hook up the fuel inlet, and that's easy as that. And be sure to put your fuel filter on at the same time. It comes with a fuel filter, so you want to be sure to install that. No fuel filter avoids the warranty. All right, so that's now, this has an adjustable main jet, so it's adjustable to different engines, so there's good instructions that come with it on how to adjust this. So there you go. It's a very good replacement for the 1100. 1100s are just getting old and wore out. I think they were over-engineered to start with. Way too many things on them can go wrong now, and so this might be a good solution for you. I appreciate you watching.